guys, welcome to my channel, Adam Burwell, and how are you today? I hope you're doing fine and dandy. As you can see in the title of this video, this is going to be something, well, entirely different because I'll be opening a package which was gifted to me or sent to me by one of my friends who happens to be also a YouTuber like me from America, from the United States. I'm talking about Muralyn Zuber. If you want to support my friend, I'll put the link on her YouTube channel on the description box or in the caption above, so that you might just want to check her out, check what she's been all her stuff at her channel, and I'm sure it's gonna be awesome. Anyway, here it is. She actually contacted me like a little bit over a year ago and told me that she'll be sending me something from the United States. I do have an idea already on what are this. So I'm just gonna be opening it. This was I received this like 2 or 3 days ago, and yeah, as you can see, it's like securely packaged. So bear with me while I continue to open this. Quite satisfying actually to open stuff that is like tight, if you know what I mean. I'm looking for some bubble wrapping because something about that is therapeutic to me. Maybe that's just me. If you are like me, who finds that oddly satisfying, let me know below in the comments. We are almost there, you guys. I think I need a knife or something. And I just noticed that actually the container is a Tupperware. We call it a Tupperware here in the Philippines. Like a plastic box. So yeah, by the way, let's just do a little bit of a thumbnail picture. Yeah, I'm almost there, guys. Bear with me. Don't worry, this will just be quick. It takes a lot of strength to do this. And I have a new Tupperware. Okay. Thank you, Sis Miro. Here we go. So, still have some. Okay. See? I knew it. She even put my the name of my channel here, YT or YouTube Adam Burwell. Thank you so much. Yes. Oh my god. Absolutely awesome. Mary Kay products, you guys. Oh wow. This is, okay, let's start with this one. I don't know if you can see it. This is the Mary Kay 2-in-1 body wash and shave. Yeah. Something about Mary Kay is that my mom sort of introduced me to to Mary Kay products. My aunt is sort of a reseller, and yeah, my friends as well. And this is gonna be something very useful. However, to be honest though, I still have like a lot of different skincare products which I have not used, but definitely I'll give this one a go and try. You know what I mean? Body shave. And the other one is Mary Kay Man. Oh wow. Advanced Facial Hydrator Sunscreen. It's a sunscreen as well. The Mary Kay for Men. Oh my god. This is gonna be like extremely important right now since it's summer. Mary Kay for Men. Thank you. Thank you so much. And the other one is, oh my god, it's a cologne. Wow. I was not expecting this. It's a Mary Kay cologne, so they do have their own line. You know what? Let me just try to open this one, okay? Yeah, it's a Mary Kay cologne, guys. I didn't know. I did not know at all. Cologne spray. This is 59 ml. Thank you so much, Sis Miro Zuber, for this Mary Kay products. Yeah, I really do appreciate you. Guys, if you wanna check out her channel, go and please, support her. The link should be in the description box. Yeah, I think I've mentioned it already. And if you want me to try this out, like maybe give you a sort of a review, especially this hydrating lotion and sunscreen, and also this body wash, let me know below in the comment section below. And this one though, it's quite heavy. I'm really quite intrigued with the Mary Kay cologne, because I didn't know, when it comes to Mary Kay, all I can think of is a line of skincare products specifically for men. I did not even know that they have a line which is like made or formulated for men, like me. And this is something that will be, very interesting for me to use. Guys, I'll see you in my next upload, and yeah, that's just me like doing some unboxing vlog or something like that. You take care and enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Bye. It's quite heavy. I'm really quite intrigued with the Mary Kay cologne, because I didn't know, when it comes to Mary Kay, all I can think of is a line of skincare products specifically for men. I did not even know that they have a line which is like made or formulated for men, like me. And this is something that will be, very interesting for me to use. Guys, I'll see you in my next upload, and yeah, that's just me like doing some unboxing vlog or something like that. You take care and enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Bye.